Today we're going to replace the rope in a Recoil Starter and a Honda HRX426 lawnmower. Firstly, remove the 3 nuts with a 10mm socket spanner. You will now be able to release the recoil. To repair or replace the line, you will need to free the line from the recoil housing. Pull the rope all the way from the Recoil Starter. Make sure you do this carefully, as you wouldn't want the rope to retract back. To lock the starter into place, place a screwdriver in between the pulley and starter housing. Pull the end where the knot is all the way so you can cut the rope to release. Get your new rope with safety precautions. Light the end of the rope to seal the end so it doesn't fray. Then turn the rotor anti-clockwise to give the spring more tension. Then align the holes for the rope. Again, lock the recoil into place by using a screwdriver. Thread through the rope and secure by tying in a double knot. Tuck the knot into the recoil. To attach the handle back, thread the end of the rope through the hole and tie into a tight knot. To tighten the rope so it has more tension, get the rope and put it round the outer rotor. This can be adjusted. Keep in mind, if there is too much tension, this can have a damaging effect on the spring. Test the recoil to make sure that it has the correct tension. Now you can return this back onto the mower. Secure the 3 nuts using the 10mm socket spanner. That's how you replace the rope in a Recoil Starter and a Honda HRX426 lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.